In this quick tutorial, let's talk about how you can find and delete all iCloud backups on your iPhone. So when you open up the settings on your device, at the top of the main settings page, you can see your profile picture and your name. And this is the section which is about your account. So tap on this. And within these options, you can also find iCloud. So when you tap on this, you can browse your current storage situation and some different settings, but scrolling down a little bit more, you can also find backups. And when you click on this, you have one toggle to either enable or disable the backups, but also below it, you have older device backups, which you can manage at least to a degree that you can delete them. So whenever I just click on this backup of my old iPhone, I can turn off and just delete it if I wish, right? So I can do the same thing for my iPad as well. And no matter how many backups I would have in here, I would still be able to do that and just delete them if I don't like this, right? So it might be useful to just back up your phone all the time. And of course, the older ones don't really make sense anymore to just keep them, right? Because the latest one is the most updated. So I would just recommend you to just delete the older ones if you can. So that's it from me. There isn't really much else to know about this topic. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.